Hello Scorpios, welcome to my channel Surabhi, and let's see what are the messages for you. And for the personal readings, the details are given in the description box below. So let's see what are the messages for Scorpios. Okay. So we have the Six of Cups, the Fool, the Page of Swords, Hierophant, the Seven of Pentacles, the Eight of Swords, the Four of Wands, okay, the Ten of Pentacles, and the Eight of Wands. Okay. So Scorpios, you want perhaps either to reconcile with someone because you are remembering somebody from the past. Okay, you have fond memories of somebody from the past. You really want to start afresh with them, and you are really missing them. Actually, you are really missing them big time. You really want to talk to them. Maybe there is some reason, but what I feel here is, it's like maybe there is some clarity of thought regarding if you were biased against them, or maybe you had some grudge against them or something of that. So whatever negativity was there in your mind, because of which you people perhaps were not talking or were away for some reason, now you have some clarity of thought regarding that, and maybe that is the reason that you are now missing them all the more, and you really want to have a new beginning with them. Okay. And then we have the Hierophant, the Seven of Pentacles, and the Eight of Swords. So what I feel here is that though you want to have a new beginning with them, and you want stability also with them, you want a commitment with them, you want something stable and long term with them, maybe a relationship, a long term relationship, or even a marriage. But though everything is energetically there, and I do think that maybe you will take a small step forward also in this direction. Okay, maybe you message them or you call them or you talk to them, it can be that also, but still there is something which is really holding you back. Okay, so it's looking like there is something which is holding you back. It can be some fear of the past, it can be some past experiences, or maybe you don't know how to do it. You really don't know how to reconcile with them, how to go about with the situation, or you are doubtful that will you be able to convince them for the commitment, or maybe you are doubtful that will they be will they say yes to this reconciliation or whatever you want from them, sort of, if you want a commitment, long term relationship, whatever. So perhaps there is something which is still stopping you from at least speaking out or telling them what you actually want from them. Okay, that you want commitment and you want marriage or whatever, maybe, or stability, whatever it is. So I really don't think you will be able to tell them that much, that what you're actually wanting from them. But yes, perhaps you will be able to take a small step forward, at least. Okay, but what I feel is that in the near future, since you have that stability in your mind, slowly and steadily, even if right now you have those fears and anxieties and you're not even very sure as to what will be the outcome of the situation, will they say yes or no, or even maybe you yourself are doubtful to some extent because perhaps things didn't go that well in the past. So whatever the reason is, but slowly and steadily you will be able to communicate them to you, uh, communicate those things to you, or those views, or your whatever you feel like your feelings, you will be able to convey them to you, and it will be so properly. So there will be a to and fro communication between both of you, and finally you will be able to get that stable commitment and that long-term relationship also. Okay, so it seems to be a very good and a positive energy, Scorpios, for those of you who are actually looking for a reconciliation. The message from this deck, again, the same thing which is here in the Four of Wands, it is the Three of Clubs here. So definitely there is this long-term commitment, happiness, stability coming in, Scorpios. Message, guidance from the angels. Three of Action. Things are working out beautifully. Now that your ship has come in, it is the time to decide what your next big project will be. You may choose to continue to build upon your successes or move on to something entirely different. Be willing to travel if necessary. So, Scorpios, that's all I have for you. Hope it helps, and please don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Bye. Thank you.